Hello friends, greetings from Iceland again. We have sad news coming from Grindavik. The man fell into the fissure in one of the cracks inside of the city. We don't know exactly who it was, but it happened just before noon in Grindavik. I was in the afternoon in Grindavik around 3 o'clock, well, nearby in Blue Lagoon and at the entry gates to Grindavik. And I now read in the news that this thing happened, that the man fell into the fissure. The fissure wasn't big, it was just a crack, some hole on the top. But the more deeper you go, the wider it gets. They had been putting two rescue men into this cage, trying to look for him. And so far, up to now at 6 o'clock in the morning, he had not been found. And it says here that 100 people came there to do this rescue work. And so far, updates tells us that the man has not been yet found. And the fissure seems to be 20 to 30 meters deep. Well, of course, if a person falls down 20 meters, it's very little chance that he or she will survive. But let's hope and pray for the best, that the person will be found. So this is the news that we have from Iceland. And I wish my condolences to the family of the victim, and let's sincerely hope that he will survive.